Hey, beautiful people. I am Spurti, and I am here to tell you how to be into that black cat energy that makes you alluring, beautiful, and gorgeous. Okay? She is super attractive. She doesn't let anyone know her next move. And she's unpredictable for people who don't know themselves, who are not into that self love journey. So people who are into black cat energy are mostly into self-love journey. They know who they are and they don't want to explain people about their authenticity, about their boundaries. They are strict with it. Okay? They are cutthroat about it. They know what they want. They just make sure that they are taking an action towards it and making sure that they are happy with themselves. So when you are detached from the outer world and making sure that all your desires are being fulfilled by being quiet about them. Okay, not letting the world know what's going within you. You become magnetic. Okay, black cat energy is mostly like Ma Kali's energy, the dark feminine energy. She doesn't give her energy that easily. She makes sure that she will only give it to people who truly deserve it. She will not talk to you easily. She will not let her energy be given to just anyone because she's selective about it. She only makes friends with those who gives her the knowledge that she desires, who are truly optimistic about life. And most of the time, you will see that the people who are into black light energy have that fierce face like Ma Kali. They don't just mingle with anyone. They keep their secrets as if it's a treasure to them. I do it because I am into my black cat energy and I love being into it. I just don't let anyone just talk to me like that. Because after going through trauma, after healing it, you will finally realize that people are just waste of time. You know, some people, not all. After getting to know that your past relationships weren't bad because people were bad. It's because you needed to have that lessons. You needed to go through some karmic lessons due to which you felt that they were bad. But they were just here to teach you lessons. And the moment you learn them, you get to know that your energy was so precious. It wasn't something to be given to just anyone. You were abundant from within. You were always abundant, but you didn't know how to use that abundance. You didn't know where to invest your energy and whom to give it, when to sit quiet and when to talk. And now that you know it, you're just unstoppable. People are like, what is she doing? Okay? Because you are most of the time you're secretive. You don't want to let your plans to be known to someone who doesn't respect it. Now that you have started respecting yourself, people are like flabbergasted by your presence, okay? They are like, what is she doing? What is she eating? How can I contact her? And now you cannot do that easily because she has been the favorite of the universe since she was born, but she was unaware of it. And now that she has come into her power, you are dead. Literally, she is unforgettable. And why? Why is she unforgettable? Because she knows her power now. She knows that she is a psychic. She knows that she is intuitive. She knows that she has power in the spiritual realm. She has various gifts by her side to share with the world. Okay? She respects her goals now. She's more concentrated on her self love journey than on people. Then people are like, oh, she's too rude. She isn't rude, she just has boundaries. She knows that whom to talk to and whom not to. And that is never wrong. Being a doormat wasn't a choice, but she was something more than that. And she has realized it now. and she doesn't want to settle for anything less than what she deserves. And there's nothing wrong in it. Black cat energy wasn't just a passing phase. Okay, it takes time. Okay, it takes enough time to become so magnetic that people are stunned by you. That kind of energy is rare because people are busy in people pleasing. And here she is, sitting in a throne like Queen of Wands energy. If you are a tarot card reader, you know what I'm saying. She knows who she is now. She realizes her value and how to do that. First thing, make sure that you are being authentic. Express yourself authentically. Okay, be vulnerable. If you are facing something, speak about it. If you don't know about a topic, tell it. I don't know about it. Could you please explain me? Equally have boundaries. If you have authenticity, you equally have to know that you need to be having boundaries with people who are narcissists, who are manipulators, who are people pleasers. You know, there are many people who want to take advantage of you, but you have to be very wise enough. I'm literally seeing a cloud here, and that too, it is black color. And it's so interesting. I literally want to show it. Just a moment. I'm sorry, it ran away, but I wish I could show you. Okay, so this is what it is. So I think that was a sign. This is something that I needed to post. Okay, let's get into the topic. So black cat energy. Okay, first thing, you have to be authentic. Second, you have to have boundaries. Third is be cutthroat. You don't have to be that soft, cute little doll like child every time. You have to respect your soft side, but you need to know where to use it. You don't have to be like, oh, I will do it, oh, I will be there by your side. No need. You need to know where to stop giving and whom to give because not everyone needs you. Sometimes it's the people pleasing attitude of yours that still has to heal. Make sure that one thing that you need to do is respect yourself because people will respect only when you are respecting yourself. And people with black cat energy, they are mostly into their own world. They are like, oh, I have to do this, I have to do that. They are too much focused on their goals. They don't want anything less than what they deserve. They know exactly what they want. Journal each and everything to know more about yourself. Okay? They literally know what they want. And they make sure that they journal it. They make sure to achieve it. They are most focused upon themselves. And the people who put their energy within are more attractive because they are detached. And this universe is totally attracting opposites. Okay. So if you are detached, people are attached to you. If you are more focused upon yourself, your life, people are like, what is she doing? How is she shining so bright? If you are carefree, then people are like, why is she so carefree? What makes her being so carefree? They will start taking care of you. Okay, it's totally opposite. So make sure that you are loving yourself. Having black cat energy isn't that tough, but you have to be ready to be authentic and apologetic. Okay? And share your thoughts with the world only when it needs it. Okay? Make sure that you are respecting your ancestors because they give you more knowledge than any book could ever give you. Okay? I hope this helps.